the bird lady. And I'm supposed to be one of those crazy types that talks to pigeons and pheasants and whatnot. But the truth is that they talk to me. And this one, he says to me, he says, "Hey, Brianna Williams, you know, I was a frog before I was a pigeon, and a prince before that. And if you would just lay your lips on that appropriate part of my feathers, then I'll take you away from all this on my big, white, frog, pheasant, prince heart. Yay! All right. Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Hey! You weren't ready, were you? One more time. All right. Here we go. Shit! I got me a fucking defective fairy tale. Hollywood's done gone and bought it all up. And you selling out now, huh? And won't do nothing for free? Well, that's all right. I just keep on talking, and I'll keep on trucking, and I'll keep on. I mean, ain't there no such thing as a simple love between a girl and her pigeon